key of imagination.
Those I'm just going to center. Translate again. Probably 14? No, more than that. That ought to be about right. Play the image, turn that off. Kill off all these timers we're not going to use. Now if you have 7 lights per digit, and you have 28, 6 times 4 is 24, 28 total, and that means your very last light should be 28 times 7. Be 196. That would be this one. 195. Okay, so I'm going to have to do some reorganizing here with those lights, unless I want to rename them all again, because it copied the lights in the wrong order. So when the table here is run, this will all be jumbled up. It won't make sense. Those will not be numbers because they're in the wrong sequence. That's okay, because you can either rename the lights there or rename them here, one or the other. As long as they match this, it'll look fine. Gonna rename that to display timer there. Timer is gonna be 40. Drop my wall back. That'll be wall 4. So if I set all these lights to surface of wall 4, then they'll show up on top there. And 0, 0. Drop my image back on there again. Lucky 7 front. Right, variables undefined. Now I'm just going to remove all this stuff. As you can see here, our lights are showing up. They're a little hard to see though with that background. At this point you have your choice there of editing your image so that that's black, or you can drop a light on it, which is easier for us. Now in order for the light to show up though, if you're using black, I'd suggest using like 32, 32, 32 instead of a flat black, because anything saved with 0, 0, 0 will be changed to 777 by BP. That only happens with BP9. Now because the custom light here is, change the cursor there, it's about the same width as 2 of those digits. If I scale it by 3, that'll give it just the perfect width. And the light has to be turned on if it's black. 3 more of those. Gonna lock that again so I don't drag it around. So you can see what I'm doing here so far. If we re-render the table here, it'll look better there for those displays. And then as soon as PinMame turns those displays on, they'll show up in front, or you can select drawing back for your masking lights here. Those will show up and look real nice there. Of course, the light there could be better. This is just as an example, of course. Now that that's done, we can toss our playfield image back on over here. And before you're all done, you want to change this table name back and remove any code you tossed in here for it. Everything else is just fluff, so you can play the game a whole lot of times there and make changes to it so it plays better. You can do numerous things with your back glasses here, using reels, walls, lights, you name it. You can even have balls which reside on the back glass, like bonsai run and stuff. Thank you very much for your time here. I sure hope this helps.